Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt FlexVolt Advantage 4.5 5-inch paddle switch angle grinder tool only. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. 20 volt brushless FlexVolt Advantage. So these work with the 20 volt max tools or batteries, or the FlexVolt batteries. First thing we got is the instructions. Alright, so we got the tool itself. Pretty nice. Does come with the bag. Says perform, protect, FlexVolt Advantage, electric brake. We do have a nice rubber handle here. Pretty nice. Little thick on my, I would prefer something thinner, but it's okay. It is a paddle switch, so this is plastic. It does have a lock in here, so you have to unlock it like that. Lock it and then just press it. We have DCG 416 type 1 20 volt max, 9,000 meters RPM per minute, 5/8-11. So you got brushless there. You got lots of vents here, lots of vents there. You got here's the battery compartment on the back. It says made in China. For connectors, they're at the bottom, the stop, so in case you want to put the wheel on. Alright, so let's look at the guard here. So this is a one, it does click. You can move it around basically. You can move the guard around, which is pretty nice. A flap disc, which is like a sander, and then we have a cutting wheel. So we're gonna put this cutting wheel on, see what this looks like. So it tells you unlock, lock. So it fits perfectly. And then you can, push this button here so you can lock the wheel, and then just tighten up real good. One of these batteries in here. See what this sounds like. Alright, so push the. So you get a lot of air movement from here. I'm gonna keep my hands away from there. You got a lot of air movement here. Yeah, you got a lot of vents here on this side, so that's pretty nice. Well, it does include a wrench here and the handle. Just gonna screw on the handle. And this tool is for this, so in case you want to just get some leverage. We got the FlexVolt Advantage. We're going to be using a 5 amp hour battery. We're going to start with a cutting wheel. We're going to cut this piece of tube, square tube. Let's see how this works. Got 3 bars still. This does have a lot more strength with the 6 FlexVolt battery. I think it has a little bit more, but overall it's a great tool. Guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.